Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. All of you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Marami sa atin naiinis sa gobyerno na bibwisit. Marami sa atin ayaw na ng politika. Marami sa atin ayaw ng bumoto sa eleksyon. I have been in the practice of law for 38 years. Alam ko kung ano ang kailangan natin sa Senado. Alam ko kung ano ang mga batas natin. At alam ko kung ano ang butas sa batas natin. I am running on an agenda of hope sapagkat huwag tayong mawala ng pag-asa. H in hope stands for honest government. For this country to progress, we need to clean up our government. We need a government that cares. We need a credible justice system that is inclusive regardless of your station in life. H is also for health, especially for the needy and the wanting and senior citizens like me. O in hope is for opportunity for all. I stand for defending non-discrimination regardless of what sector you belong in. Women, children, senior citizen, workers, farmers, our LGBT community, our OFWs, our fisher folks, our artists, and all the marginalized sectors. There should be no discrimination regardless of the sector you belong to. P in hope is for peace. You cannot have peace in this country, though, if you do not solve the issue of poverty. And to solve the issue of poverty, you need letter E in hope, which is employment, which is education, and really, which is care for the environment. So, many people have said, Attorney Kapunan, ano naman ang pumasok sa tuktok nyo at nag-isip kayong tumakbo? Ang sinasabi ko sa lahat, pag gusto nyo ng pagbabago, maghalal ng bago. Maraming
You have
salamat
30
po.
seconds left. Keep going. 30
Sinasabi ko
seconds.
din, yung mga nagsasabing natatalo sa sweepstakes ticket, sa sweepstakes, ang tanong ko, bakit? Bumili ba kayo ng sweepstakes? Yung nagsasabing natatalo ako sa loto na yan, bakit? Tumaya ba ko? Kanya ang sinasabi kayo sa inyong lahat, kung gusto nyong manalo, bumili ng ticket, isang ticket of hope. Ako po yon.
Thank you.